Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh. I am from Hyderabad. My qualification is BCom Computers. I had completed my graduation 2012 C. Krishnadevaraya University at Anantapur. When I had completed my graduation, I will go to join Evision Technology Private Limited. That Evision Technology is IT placement service, and I had to learn about 3 months online job training course. It is very good for that. I had to learn Windows, but in Evision I had to learn in Windows and virtualization, CCNA and ITIL, like Windows security. It's better to learn in at Evision. When I had to after completed my 3 months online program training, I got a job at Coforge company. My CTC is per annum 2.8. Anyway, thank you for given using technology.